Hey there guys, welcome to Casehead single box break number 275 of 11-12, Upper Deck the Cup. So last team that ended in the break was Edmonton Oilers on June 9th at 7:54 p.m. Eastern Time. So we'll go to eBay's current day and time window. Refresh. One more time. Okay, so current eBay date and time is Sunday, June 9th at 8:13 p.m. Pacific, and Sunday, June 9th at 11:13 p.m. Eastern Time. So 275, and this is box 3 of 6 from the case, and serial numbers NEXX9500305. So the X just means the numbers are blocked by the logo, so you guys will see what I mean right away. So it's blocked there, then 9500305. Pretty sure it was a 1-8 in the front, but I didn't want to post that, so I just posted X's there. So tin 3 from the case, sealed. Sealed. Go over the rest of the tin. And sealed. So I'll show you guys serial numbers one more time and we'll get started, guys. So I just gotta adjust the camera. Okay. Zero 0305. Okay, so good luck everybody. Sealed. Okay, so here we go. Good luck, guys. So no decoy or anything yet. So here we go, guys. So we have a base of Phil Kessel for the Toronto Maple Leafs. I can't remember if we just pulled him last night or not. So base of Phil Kessel. We got auto rookie patch of Adam Larson for the New Jersey Devils. Number, if you want to focus, 38 of 249 with a nice patch on it for the Devils. We got auto rookie patch gold of Alexei Emelin, 27 of 74 for the Montreal Canadiens. Next one is a trios jersey of Henrik Lundqvist, Mark Stahl, and Marian Gaborik, number 12 of 25 for the Rangers. And we got a base jersey of Patrick Wall, 13 of 25 for the Colorado Avalanche. And we finished the break off with a patch of Marian Gaborik, 5 of 10 for the Rangers. Well, this was a shitty tin, to be honest. Okay, so that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So we have Cup again tomorrow. Rookie Anthology tomorrow, and I posted SP Authentic 12-box case break ending for Wednesday. So the break's going to be on Thursday. I'll be down in Vancouver when I do that. So other than that, I hope all the other tins in this case can be good. So we still got case hit to come. And other than that, thanks as always, guys, and take care. Have a great night.